Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Airsoft and Scale Models. Today I'm going to present you a reenacting suit which I really enjoyed. Before this I'm going to tell you a little story about this outfit, this suit I'm going to wear on my next game. I already did it once and I really enjoyed it. It's a short story of the Vietnam War. U.S. Army Lieutenant Colonel Hall Moore, which was to train and lead a battalion. After arriving in Vietnam, he learns that an American base has been attacked and is ordered to take his 400 men after the enemy and eliminate the North Vietnamese attackers. Intelligence has no idea of the number of the enemy and troops, nor leads a newly created air cavalry unit in the Trang Valley. After landing, the soldiers captured a North Vietnamese scout and learned from him that the location they were sent to is the base camp for a veteran North Vietnamese Army division for 400 men. Upon arrival in the area with a platoon of soldiers, Second Lieutenant Henry spotted some enemies. What they haven't realized, they end up in the middle of a camp, Vietnamese camp with 4,000 soldiers. They've been attacked, and from that point, Lieutenant Moore's mission is to keep his men alive and have all the support he can achieve with the helicopters and with the airstrikes and artillery to keep his soldiers alive, and also to defeat the 4,000 Vietnamese soldiers, Viet Cong soldiers. So the movie, based on the book We Were Soldiers, present very detailed all this battle, and obviously the main character played by Mel Gibson, Lieutenant Colonel Moore, which is obviously a real personage in real life, makes this movie one of the greatest Vietnam War movies. Now, going back to my reenacting outfit for Airsoft, I have a Vietnam era US uniform. I have obviously representing on my reenacting Lieutenant Colonel Moore. I have the Lieutenant Colonel insignia. I have the cavalry sign, and the way he always, where he's watching a battle, make sure it's going to be protected. What has been used? Obviously, the classical Vietnam wartime M16A1, which on my scenario, it's SEMA M16A1, a very well made replica. It's having no markings, being as close as possible to the real one, has the short magazines used by the US Army during Vietnam War. The weight is there, the look of the gun is amazing, and makes you feel very into that time. The accuracy of this Airsoft gun for the 328 FPS the gun has, it's brilliant. On the 0.28 BBs, you can easily achieve within 40-meter range very accurate shots. For the outfit, I have the famous 1911 gun, which is a CO2 cartridge gun with a 25 rounds BB magazine. It's a beauty. It's a parkerized color with a weathering effect on a gun, which makes it look absolutely nice and realistic and gives you full satisfaction of when you're playing the game. Also, for the M16A1, to make even more realistic the feeling of this, I use a dummy bayonet, which again, it gives more real looking to my reenacting suit. I hope you enjoyed my clip again, and I will tell you what, we'll see you soon on another video. Thank you again, lads.